Our bodies are incredible. They have different parts that work together to keep us healthy. In this video, we will be focusing on two important areas, the vagina and the mouth. While they might seem totally different, understanding their connection is key to a healthy and enjoyable sex life. So I will discuss 5 different connections between your mouth and the vagina, and also the reason why you mustn't lick woman's vagina. First connection, different places with different bacteria. Imagine your vagina as a self-cleaning apartment. It has good bacteria that keeps things balanced and healthy. Your mouth is like a bustling restaurant full of its own good bacteria to help digest food. While both have good bacteria, they're different types. What works well in the apartment might not be a good fit for the restaurant. Before we move on, if you are new here, please, I would appreciate if you can support this channel. Like this video, subscribe and press the bell button. Thanks for doing so. Now, second connection, oral sex is great, but mind the discharge. Oral sex, when done with consent and respect, can be a fun and healthy part of sex. But here's the thing, vaginal discharge is normal and healthy, but it's best to avoid contact with the mouth if you have discharge present. While our bodies are amazing, vaginal discharge is not something we eat. It might seem strange, but think of it like earwax. Earwax helps clean our ears, but we wouldn't eat it, right? Vaginal discharge does a similar job for our bodies. Third connection, the bacteria shuffle. Remember those different bacteria? When discharge comes in contact with your mouth, it can introduce apartment bacteria to the restaurant. This bacteria shuffle can disrupt the balance in your mouth, leading to issues like irritation or even yeast infections. Fourth connection, infection party crashers. If you have a vaginal infection, discharge might contain organisms that can cause problems in your partner's mouth or throat. Healthy versus unhealthy discharge. Most of the time, vaginal discharge is nothing to worry about, but sometimes it can be a sign of something not being quite right. Now, how to tell the difference? Healthy discharge is usually clear, white, or yellowish. May be sticky, watery, or creamy. Doesn't have a strong, bad smell. While unhealthy discharge may be green, yellow-green, or gray. Might be clumpy or cottage cheese-like. Has a strong, fishy smell. Think of it like an uninvited guest at a party. They might spread trouble. Now, the bottom line. Communication is key. Talk openly with your partner about your comfort level with oral sex, especially if you have discharge. There are plenty of ways to enjoy intimacy without mouth-to-vaginal contact. Remember, healthy communication is as important as healthy bodies. Bonus tip. If you're unsure about discharge or have any concerns, don't hesitate to talk to a doctor. They're there to answer your questions and keep you healthy. By understanding the connection between the vagina and mouth, you can make informed choices about your sexual health and ensure a happy and healthy sex life. If any part of this message has been helpful to you, leave us your like and comment, helping the algorithm recommend it to someone who needs it at this time. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss new videos, and if you look through the videos we've already uploaded, you're sure to find something to take with you, and will also help you achieve a stoic mindset. Thanks for watching.